Hi friends, today we're learning all about the letter M. Let's draw it together. Start at the bottom, then draw a straight line going to the top. Stay at the top. Now draw a line going down. That's kind of off to the side. That's called a diagonal line. From there, you're going to go back up to the top in a diagonal line again, but going upward. Now draw another straight line going down to the bottom. Great job! You just made a big, marvelous M. Let's learn all about the letter M. It's talking time.
Yay! Can you say the letter M with me? Like this. Good job. Your letter M's sound great. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Wow, good work, friends. Let's do the M one more time. Ready?
It's time for the ABC game. Which animal begins with the letter M? Monkey. Narwhal. Octopus. Panda. That's right. M is for monkey. Monkey. Say monkey. My friend Mr. Monkey and me. Let's learn more about the letter M. Big M and little m. And this is the letter M in cursive writing. Monkey begins with M. Can you write the letter M with me? You will? Let's do it. From the top, make a straight line down. Go back to the top. Make slanted line down. Go back up, pointed the right, then bring the line back down to the bottom. That is how you wrote a capital M. Now, let's write a lowercase m. This is a little m, so we're going to only go up to the middle. Go down in a straight line. Back up, around and down. One more time. Up, around and down. Good job playing. It's time for Spin the Wheel. When the wheel stops, you shout out the name of the colour it lands on. You ready? Go! Stop! Do you know what colour it landed on? That's right! The colour is red. Can you say red? Ready? Go! Stop! Which colour do you see the wheel pointing to? Purple! Good work! The wheel is pointing to the colour purple. You say purple. Purple! Stop! Do you know this colour? Green! Awesome! This is the colour green. Say it loud. Green! One more time. Stop! What colour is this? Orange? Yes, that's right. Let's say it together. Orange. Good job, friends. You are so smart. Let's remember what colours we won today. Are you ready? First was red, then there was purple. Oh, we can't forget about green. And last was orange. Thanks for playing Spin the Wheel with me. Stick around for story time up next.
Monkey's Big Banana Climb Adventure. Monkey walked along the jungle ground, humming softly to the leafy sound. He pointed up. What did he see? Bananas waiting high in the tree. He jumped with joy. Hooray! Hooray!
I'll get those bananas. I'll get them today. He imagined eating every bite. Yum, he thought. They'd be just right.
With all his might, he reached to the sky, then jumped to grab the branch up high. He grabbed it quick and started to climb. He swung and laughed in perfect time. He climbed one branch and now climbed up two. The tree was so tall, but he was almost through. But, uh-oh, he slipped right off the tree, arms flying out as he tumbled free. On the ground where he would now just sit, he said to himself, "I cannot quit." He scratched his head and said, okay, there has to be another way. He imagined swinging vine to vine, a clever plan that came to mind. He found the best vine, both strong and green, through branches, leaves, and vines in between. He dangled and whittled, his tail hung low. Almost there, just a bit more to go. He peeked through leaves, so bright and green, and spotted bananas, the best he'd seen. He reached up high and grabbed the bunch. His tummy cheered, time for lunch. He shared them proudly with all his friends, smiles and giggles that never end. Then he waved goodbye with a big warm grin. Sharing is caring and makes new friends. The end. Thanks for watching and monkeying around, my good banana friends.